good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, tonight, you know what we're doing, mate? We're doing the microwave review. The microwave was manufactured 2010 in California. It's a Tatung 2010. So here in the microwave, we have the time, and then we have a bunch of different options. So we have, you can defrost, you can do by weight, or you can do speed defrost, which is really good if you have pizza. But there is also a pizza button.
So dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
So if you want to make pizza, you press the pizza button, 140. After you got the microwave to 140, you just press start. Then there's going to be a glass plate inside turning just as your normal microwave. And when you feel like you're done, you press stop. And if you want any more options and you want to reset the clock, there's a reset button. And then all the other options you could possibly think of. Popcorn, baked potato, pizza, beverage, frozen dinner, and reheat. So now it's time to put the microwave to the test with a day-old cinnamon bun. So on the box, it's gonna say how long you need to microwave it for, and it's different depending on what kind of cinnamon bun you get or whatever you want to defrost. This one says 30 to 40 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do. So to put the cinnamon bun in, we're gonna press the button that opens the microwave. We're gonna put the entire box in to kind of heat it. We're gonna close it, and we're gonna use the general setting. So we're gonna put 40 seconds. And then start. And there it's spinning. Now it's done and it says end, but be careful before you open the microwave because there can be a lot of steam coming out. And here is your cinnamon bun.
Thank you. Oh, it's warm.
It is, right?
That microwave works really good.
That's great. Thank you.
Yeah, and it wasn't expensive. It's very affordable, very practical. Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome. So this was this week's episode of Tech Talk with Emily. Next week we are reviewing a Apple Watch. No, I ain't that bougie. See you next week. Bye.